We've got a couple of really exciting product releases here at Truffle today. First off, this is what reviewing candidates in Truffle used to look. Table, names, scores, and statuses. To actually learn anything about someone, you had to click in, watch their video, click back out, find your place, and click the next one. It worked, but it was a little slower than we liked. This is Magic Review. When you click on a candidate now, their profile loads right here, side by side with your full candidate list. No page changes and no back. The first thing you see is candidate shorts. This is our AI pulling out the key moments from the interview and tagging them by competency. Things like customer orientation, problem solving, initiative, along with our 21 other categories. Whatever is relevant to their role. Each one is timestamped, so you can jump straight to the moment that matters. You don't have to watch a full interview to know if someone's worth a closer look. Once you scroll down, you get the full candidate summary, a high-level read on who this person is and how they came across. And if you set up qualifications for the role, any mismatches get surfaced right here. So if someone doesn't meet a must-have, you see it immediately. No digging around. Now, here's where it gets fun. Once you've seen enough, you make your call right here. Advance, hold, or reject, and the next candidate loads immediately. Or simply skip the mouse entirely. A to advance, H to hold, R to reject, arrow keys to move between candidates. You can get through a stack of 10 candidates in a few minutes. Now, if you love the table view, it's still here, and it has its own purpose. Hit this toggle and you're back. And we've made it better too. You can now bulk status changes, export your candidates, and the filtering is improved across every view. But honestly, once you try Magic Review, I don't think you'll go back. One thing to be clear about here, this isn't replacing a deep dive on a candidate. You'll still want to watch full interviews, read the candidate details for the people who make your shortlist. Magic Review is about making that first pass easier, figuring out who deserves the closer look faster. It's live now on your For Review and Review tabs. Go try it out. We've got some really exciting future product announcements coming up, so stay tuned for more.